Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the car today. I thought that, and I have a I feel like I have a frog in my throat or something, but I thought that I would take you along with me. I just pulled up to Ashley Furniture, and I'm going to go in here and look for a mattress and like a sideboard table, and I thought that I would take you along with me. If you don't know, I have worked with Ashley in the past before. No, this is not sponsored, but I love Ashley. They have really great things, and I think that the misconception for Ashley Home Store is that it's just for old people. It's not. They have the cutest stuff ever. So I'm gonna go in here and I'll show you. Okay, so I have to do a voiceover because I didn't realize that they had the music going on in the store, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So here I'm just showing you that all of the things that I love from the store. You will see here in a minute. They have all different kinds of things. Modern, contemporary, like rustic, anything you could imagine they have. I'm showing you here that I loved that rug. It's kind of like a cream with a gray. But this is my favorite piece of furniture in the whole entire store. And I wish I had a place for it, but I don't. It's this really cute denim blue ottoman. And I think it would be paired perfectly with like a cognac brown leather couch. I think it'd be so cute. So you may see that someday on my channel because I love it. I love it since I saw it the very first time I saw it. Anyway, I loved this couch too. It's kind of like a grayish blue. It's really pretty. It would be, you could use it in several different styles of living rooms. I almost said kitchen, but I'm just showing you there that the fabric is more like a velvet. And then I'm going to show you that they have all these accent chairs and then a little cute coffee table here that I thought was cute. I'm sorry, I'm talking through all this in the video, but I just, when I got here on to edit, you can hear the music, so I'm just going to have to voice over it, and I hope that's okay. Anyway, here I'm just showing you that there's tons of mattresses to choose from, and in the beginning I said that I was going in there for a mattress, and so in just a second Michaela will be on here. Hopefully the music doesn't ruin it, but she's going to show you and tell you how to pick a mattress, which was really good for me because I had never bought a mattress before. So I learned a lot today. I loved this grayish white furniture. I thought it'd be perfect for a farmhouse if you're into that. And then I'm just going to keep showing you more of the headboards. They had so many. And like I said, this was just the outlet. So if you went to the outlet but you liked something from the home store, you can order it at the outlet too. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm showing you in just a second here that I'm not real too fond of the bed, but I loved the dresser. So I think it's fun to mix and match. You don't have to buy a whole set that all goes together. You can mix and match, and that's what I would prefer to do. I mean, maybe I would buy a bed and the matching dresser, but I probably wouldn't buy the bed, the dressers, the nightstands, and all of that. This chair is really cute. It's similar to the ottoman that I showed you. And I'm showing you here this like cloud couch. If you like Restoration Hardware and you love that couch, this is like a perfect dupe for that. It is so soft and so fluffy, and it'd be perfect for a like living room basement area. Again, I'm just showing you more headboards here. You'll see here, I'm going to show you this really darling gray velvet like bench thing. It's so cute. It'd be perfect in a little girl's room. It lifts up for storage. I just thought that was so cute. Okay, this table I've seen at the regular store. It's an outdoor coffee table, and it's very cute. It's something you would see at Restoration Hardware. And I thought this would be something you would see at Pottery Barn, and it's so cute. It's got perfect detail. If you're a farmhouse girl lover, you will love this. It is darling. It might be on my list. This is Michaela, and she is going to tell us what you can expect when you come into Ashley Furniture looking for a mattress.
Yeah, so most people don't know anything about mattresses. That's totally fine. I did it before I worked here. First question we're gonna kind of ask you is, how do you sleep? Are you sleeping well? Are you not sleeping well? Do you sleep on your stomach, on your side, on your back?
Because most people come in because they're not sleeping well, right?
Obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna go top down, so we're gonna find the right pillow for you.
Well, she helped me pick out this Ashley sleep hybrid pillow, or not pillow, mattress, and it's actually wasn't what I would expect to pick. It's pretty plush, but it's like firm enough that it gives you support. I would have come in thinking I didn't want plush at all, but tell them why this is good for side sleeper.
So it is great for side sleepers because your shoulder supports like your upper body and your neck. That has to have room to go into the mattress. Mm-hmm. She was saying her and her husband kind of like firm mattresses, and I was like, well, let's try this. Let's see. It
was like a life-changing experience for me. I'm gonna lay on this bed and show you how this pillow works, because I think when you see it, you see. Okay, so I thought this pillow was life-changing, as you heard me say. What I'm saying here is when I usually hop on my bed, I typically put my hand under my pillow, like I'm showing you, and I sleep like that. And so my arm goes to sleep and is numb all night. But with this pillow, it supports the back of your neck, so I don't feel the need to put my arm under the pillow like I normally do. And you can kind of snuggle up to that pillow like you would if it was like one of those pillows that you use when you're pregnant. It's so good, and I didn't even know that I needed that, but I was really excited to get it. Okay, so that was fun. I'm just gonna go home now, and I got some cleaning to do, some laundry to fold, and it's 11:30. I might get some lunch really fast and then go home. So I'll catch you back at the house. Okay, I'm back home. And I'm just folding some laundry, and I thought I would chat with you. I know this is a different video than what I normally post, but I really wanted to show you Ashley because I think they have some really great products that people don't know about. Because I don't know where you live, but where I live, it's not like, first of all, where I live, we don't have a lot of furniture stores, but I feel like when I did the parade home, and I'll leave the tour of that linked up in the cards and in this description, but people could not believe that all of the furniture I staged that living room and entryway with were from Ashley's. Like, their coffee table looked like something you would get at Restoration Hardware. This couch was in that, and it doesn't look like it looks like a Pottery Barn couch. The fabric on it is almost like that linen look, and what you would get at Pottery Barn. So, and then my chairs over here, you've seen before, they're from there too. And I just feel like you guys are missing out because they have really great prices, but give you super high-end looks. So never underestimate Ashley Furniture. Anyway, I thought it would be fun to take you along. I did go in to get a mattress today, and I got another piece of furniture, but yeah, I think they're great. I love them. So if you're local, I do have a coupon code for you. You can, if you want that, I can send it to you. But if you're not local, I really suggest you going into your local store and checking it out because it's really good. Anyway, so I am super busy this week. I'm busy, and we're going to New York this weekend, and so I have to make sure I'm ready, I'm packed, but also that my kids are all taken care of. They all have rides to where they need to go and stuff. So it's just gonna be a busy week, and I just have to finish the laundry up. I need to clean up my room, clean my bathroom, because my mother-in-law will be here this next week, and I'd be embarrassed if she saw my bathrooms right now. But it's kind of like a running joke that I always have dirty bathrooms, and I never have toilet paper in the bathroom that people use, because we all use my bathroom, and that's where the toilet paper is, and nobody ever comes over to our house. So Anyway, thank you so much for all your love on my mom's apartment. I am gonna do a tour of that. That's going to be coming up really soon. I'm hoping to actually go over there tomorrow maybe and film that, because it turned out so cute and I'm so excited with it and I can't wait to share with you. I'm just rambling now. I'm just gonna fold these clothes and take you around cleaning up my house a little bit, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Do you like vlogs? If you like this, please tell me. If you don't like it, don't tell me. Just kidding, just tell me. I know some people do, some people don't. I don't plan to do this very often, but I still love to I feel like this is a way I can interact with you in a different way than just decorating, if that makes sense. So anyway, I'm just gonna fold clothes. Okay, I'm back here again. We're still folding clothes. This is like an hour or so later. But if you're wondering why I have so much laundry, it's because I choose to only do laundry once a week. I know that most of you are like, why would you do that? You have so much to do. You're right, I do have so much to do, but I only have to do it one day a week. And I don't want to do it every day. I loathe laundry. It's not my favorite thing to do. So if I only have to do it once a week, I am a-okay with that. And this is how I grew up. This is what my mom used to do. Every Sunday was laundry day. Today's Monday, but I started it last night. And so that's just what I would like to, I just have done my whole life. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's completely random, but I didn't want to just show you the Ashley part because it's not a sponsored video. It's just, I just was going there and I wanted to take you along. And it wasn't quite enough to do a separate video. So I am just hanging out doing laundry. You saw me clean up my room a little bit. I have the bedding in the wash. I'm just waiting to put that back on. My kids should be home from school in like 10 minutes. And then after that, it's mom duties. Homework, I'll pick up my other kids, practice after practice, and dinner and homework and all that. So I'm just gonna finish folding these, relax for like 5 minutes, and then go edit this video and post it for you guys. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Crystal, and I don't typically do vlog style videos, but I might if you like it. And I usually do home decor. Stay tuned for, I think, Wednesday. I will have a decorating with me, and that's the typical content you will see here. But it is my channel, and if I decide I want to do something a little different one day, I'm gonna do it. So that's what we're doing today. Anyway, long story short, thanks for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys being here and subscribing and caring about my content and what I put out. It really means a lot to me, and I hope you will subscribe if you're not already and give the video a big thumbs up because that really helps me out too. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. See ya. Bye.